Welcome to Housekeeping Master. If you are tired of spending hours in the kitchen, or if you are worried that your traditional cooking methods are stripping your food of essential nutrients, today is your lucky day. We are taking a deep dive into a piece of kitchen engineering that is legendary for a reason. This is the Fissler Vitavit Premium pressure cooker. This 2.6 quart powerhouse is not just a pot. It is a precision instrument designed to change the way you think about healthy, efficient meal preparation. Let us start with the performance. The biggest advantage here is efficiency. We are talking about a 70% reduction in cooking time compared to conventional methods. But speed is nothing without quality. Fissler has engineered this to ensure up to 90% of vitamins, like vitamin C, are preserved in your food. This is health-conscious cooking that actually tastes good and keeps your ingredients vibrant. The build quality is exactly what you would expect from German manufacturing. It is crafted from high-quality 1810 stainless steel. What I really love about this specific model is the novogrillbase. It is designed to allow for perfect browning with a genuine grill effect, which is something you rarely get with a pressure cooker. Whether you are using gas, electric, ceramic, or induction, the Cookstar all-stove base ensures even heat distribution and zero warping over time. Now, let us talk about the user experience. Safety is always the #1 concern with pressure cooking. Fissler has addressed this with an intuitive locking indicator that audibly clicks from red to green when the lid is securely sealed. You do not have to guess if it is locked. You know it is. Furthermore, the pressure release feature on the handle is incredibly smooth. You have 4 adjustable settings, which gives you complete control over whether you are doing gentle cooking for delicate vegetables or high-pressure cooking for tougher cuts of meat. Looking at the pros and cons, the pros are clear. The build quality is second to none, the heat distribution is consistent, and the precision controls allow for a level of versatility that budget cookers simply cannot touch. It is durable, safe, and saves you serious time in the kitchen. On the flip side, you have to consider the price point. This is a premium investment piece, and at 2.6 quarts, it is better suited for smaller meals or side dishes rather than large batch prep for a huge family. You are paying for German engineering, which commands a premium, but the durability usually balances that out over the years. In conclusion, if you are a home cook who values precision, health, and speed, the Fissler Vitavit Premium is an absolute home run. It bridges the gap between industrial-grade hardware and kitchen convenience. It is rare to find a product that is both this sophisticated and this easy to operate. If you are ready to upgrade your cooking game to professional standards, this is the one to get. Link in the description.